Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, loan so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kasorkar Jala Meghalaya kalayay petngor bah hadu kini kisngi na kabenta ban pentikna baka bam kadi badukhaw ukba kindang dan paho ak Jala Meghalaya kat ba ki arpoes ngi ki jingkhang dam ya kari India barakawai kadang ya peteng hadu kini kisngi usembot menteri rang ba ka Jala uba Preston Tensong ha ka jekren bat kinong pathai khobor ha ka lai potrek mentau banai leber arhajar arpau ulai tho baka sorkar kala batha ye ki deputy commissioner jong ki district baper jong ka Jala bakin patha ye ki dukan dekhaw bakin amwat khaw sho tang na kani kanong ba shalong hanrei ban lai wat yu khaw bat ki wei de ki mar bam shaka Jala Assam khanang ban am penduna ye ka bam kadi ha ka Jala
Kaban nakalian jog sorkar mentan mi don meeting mentar usha bangan kalau bang walk out naman bun ki district ki ba ut ki om bang gim yo stop ya ukhaw ye kini ki essential commodities tenglai walk out nakalian jong ka supply department bat ngangi skep ba hadu menta ni ka stok kapiang ngam ong ba kambiang ka stok rei ka jing kolong ba kalong unregulated ka jing ya supply kalong unregulated nama pitip ba kani ka dei ka open market habang ong ko open market bunsin ka government hani sya kam don than ka rule jong ka ban control leni ban ong ba pitip tangata leni tit tangata tinrei hakan ka crisis ka bangta ka bangi ya hap nakalian ko government ni step in ban pentikna ba kan don ka shortage ka stock number 2 pada ba way pa kolong yin kide ban yo khaw jongki ya kani ni step in na sarkar kumno ban pentikna ba ka stock kan don ha ka way ka district batru bakan poi sya ka way ka tunum yin jong kinong song snong ke Jala Meghalaya jumi barakoi dia kani ngilada dia shop bat ba ka ba ngasmutanat pan ong epi baka stock hantia ko khanapara kadang don akaba hakiniki khendiat mit ngin sarikulet kumno ba kini ki wholesaler lani kini ki traders kami traders na ki district ki bapero kila banlit shibhi nang thi na po khanapara ya kata ngidani walk out akaba ngilai kren bat kini ki stockist bat kini ki mill owners bat kabas kontrat kolong ba kilong ready banyak corporate bani bat rupan pembiang ya ka stock jong ukhaw na dapat supply ya ke Jala Meghalaya juli barok kawai take away ka bang akwa aru ban kerpat anne kalau lemba jogi pum ba ngaju kerpat na kalian jogi ke sorkar ka bang akwa ban kerpat ya ki kalau ba sngau ba apilem ya ki pai ba nang snong jogi Jala Meghalaya barok kawai bakin kermau kerpang ha ke jingduai ya kini ki officers jogi ya kini ki nong trade jogi ki batrei mentam me batski bakin yo kamet ka basyat ka bakhlai bakin nomyo kanno ke janji pa khnam ba nga ong pi bangila ban syakri khnam ba ka bangi mu ka bangi mut na ka menta jong ke jing ba upai ba barkoi kan long ka bayat bet ka bayarti na adam kerpat lembang mapiki media ba pitsko ba ban kerpang yi kinong song jong Jala Meghalaya jumi begin ai ka moral support ya kini ki officers jogi ki bedon front line ki department barok ki ba per man mentang la pendut kamnut ya ki department ki ba per ban ya trelang na ka menta ba ngila ya ka ban rat dungkhong ya ka jingwan jong uneu khnang jingpang ubalong kum katlang
with the local authority. See, right now I can't say whether we increase the number of shops or not in the respective locality, but if need be, depending upon the locality, the executive committee, the SHNOM, if they feel that yes, we need some more, government is ready to do that. We are ready to increase as recommended by them. The government is from supply department is what? We wanted that people should not collect in Shillong, should not come only to Shillong. So now we are planning even lifting of essential commodities, be it from the stock Shillong, or be it from Khanapara, or be it from Guwahati, it should be lifted directly to the respective district or respective destination. That's what we are doing now.